This is Cool Trains in Montreal, and I got a backup move here in St Henri. Filming at the fence near the bridge. June 2nd, 2022. Nice day, it cleared right up. And this is the section of hopper cars and a few tanker cars backing up over the canal bridge. And it's going to be going into the Buttler Street cutoff there. Pick up a few more cars, I guess. I just got this train car crossing the bridge, and here it comes again, coming back to get more. I don't think I've ever filmed at this particular place. Usually it's all covered in foliage. I just found a spot that didn't have any, so I'm just lucky one. Sometimes you can find little spots. These are the old Government of Canada hoppers. And there's a few brand new ones here too. Okay, here's a cut of brand new hoppers, no graffiti. I think these are the National Steel Company cars built in Hamilton. Now these ones have these side fluting. I don't understand that. Don't know what company built those. Maybe Trinity? I don't know. They're probably from a different company though. These of course are ACF. So the American Car and Foundry ones from the 60s and 70s. And these are Pullman Standard ones. Or at least they look like Pullman Standard. And these were built by Hawker Siddeley. Locomotives are coming up. Here we have an X Citirail and a CN locomotive. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.